Harry makes repeated attempts to light his gas fire. If the fire lights, he makes no attempt. On each attempt, the probability that the fire will light is 0.3, independent of all other attempts. Okay, find the probability that the fire lights on the fifth attempt. Okay, first one, fifth attempt. So let's do this. Okay, first one, fifth attempt. So to light is 0.3. Okay, so and not to light is okay 0.7. okay, so the first question is p x equals to 5, probability of when x equals to 5. So that's quite straightforward. So it should be 0.7 to the power of 5 minus 1 times by 0.3. okay, use your calculator and you should get your answer. This is you should get your answer as 0.07203. okay, next question 2. Harry needs more than one attempt but fewer than 5. More than 1 but less than 5. 1 less than x, x is less than 5. 1 is less than x, x is less than 5. So the question is more than 1 but fewer than 5, so less than 5. So okay, again the method which I always like to use is I like to find what is the probability of x is greater than or equals to 5, which is no attempt on first 1 to 4. okay, nothing happens. The first attempt is only from fifth. First time that he lights is only from the fifth time or sixth time and so on. So this can be found okay by complement, okay, which is 0.7 to the power of 4. okay, so no lighting. okay, his attempt failed, so 0.7 to the power of 4. And then since it is between, the attempt is he needs more than 1, so more than 1 is at least 2, so I can write it x is less than 2. okay, so x is less than 2. In this case less than 2 is same as x is greater than or equal to 2. okay, so first attempt, so this should be nothing happens on the first time, so it is just 0.7 to the power of 1. okay, so the first attempt that's getting that he's able to light is on the second or third and fourth and so on. So the first attempt he failed, so 0.7 to the power of 1, so 2 minus 1. So this gives me a value. So the complement of this will be 1 minus 0.7. okay, 1 minus 0.7, and then the complement of this is 1 minus 0.7 to the power of 4. okay, so if I want to find p1 less than x, x is less than 5, all I have to do, just have to take 1 minus 0.7 to the power of 4 minus 1 minus 0.7 to the power of 1, and the answer that I've got is 0.4599. okay. Okay, next question 3. okay, question 3. Find the probability that on a particular day the fire starts. okay, if the fire does not light on the sixth attempt, okay, if it does not light on the sixth attempt, Harry stops and the fire remain unlit. okay, so the only time that he goes to light is if the last chance that he is going to try is on the sixth attempt. By the time he reaches the sixth attempt, nothing happens. okay, if he couldn't light, that's it, he's going to leave the fire, so it's going to remain unlit. okay, so how do I do this? So basically, okay, you have to find, if the fire does not light, find the probability that on any particular day the fire lights. So fire lights, so it could be p x equals to 1 plus p x equals to 2 plus p x equals to 3 and all the way to p x equals to 6. okay, so lighting this. So rather than doing this way, the usual way, nothing happens, it couldn't light first 6, find what is the probability of couldn't light on the first 6, which is 0.7, okay, to the power of 6. So this is failed 6 times. Okay, unlit. Okay, couldn't able to light. So the complement of this, okay, which is, so P x is less than 7, okay, equals to less than 7. Why? Because it says Harry stops on any particular day fire lights, so he could have lighted, okay, he could have lit it on the first attempt, or on the second attempt, or on the third attempt, or fourth, fifth, or on the sixth attempt he could have lit it. So I don't know, so it should be x is less than 7. So the complement of this, so 1 minus 0.7 to the power of 6, which is 0.8288235 or 0.882223 SF. Okay, that's the answer. And the last one, okay, number 4. Okay, question 4. Harry's week starts on Monday. Find the probability that during a certain week, the first day on which the fire lights is on Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Nothing happens on Monday. So 0.7. Okay, so 0.7 to the power of, okay, nothing happens, no light. So he has tried 6 attempts, so nothing happens. 0.7 to the power of 6. Tuesday, he has tried 6 attempts, 0.7 to the power of 6. But on Wednesday, he managed. So on Wednesday, he could have managed it on the first try, or second try, or third try, or fourth try, fifth, or sixth. So in that case, you just multiply 0.882. Okay, so from here, you get your answer as 0.0122128, which I can simplify to 0.0122. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Thank you.